Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add Google Tag Manager to Shopify. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. This is going to be pretty simple. First, you need to be heading over to your Google Tag Manager account. So search in here for Google Tag Manager, and just like that we are on that Google Tag Manager. You're going to be needing your Google account to sign into your Tag Manager. And once you are here, you can see we have basically our container and accounts ready to go. Vision, which is my domain. So in here you can see we have tags and triggers and everything. So I am going to be using the API keys to bridge between Shopify and our Google Tag Manager. So it is going to be pretty simple. If you want to learn in depth about it, you can comment down below and I will be assisting you more onto that. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.